Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Easter home decoration ideas I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. Balcony or window planter Easter look. Even small space can feel festive for Easter. Place flowers in pots and basket. Add paint egg between the plants. Soft ribbon give a gentle touch. This is a lovely way to enjoy spring outdoor. Easter metal decoration. Let's decorate the metal for Easter. We start with the green leaf garland across the top. Add small bunnies, figures, and candles. Place framed spring prints in the centers of pastel colors. Keep the look clean and lovely. This make the wall room feel ready for Easter. Easter starcade styling. Now let's bring Easter to the stockades. Warp green ones around the railing. Tie ribbon in light spring colors. Hang small eggs ornaments for fun. These simple ideas make the home feel festive. Soft and nature theme. This Easter style is soft and nature. Use begin whites and light green colors. Add wooden eggs and simple flowers. Keep the decoration clean and peaceful. This look is perfect for acclaimed spring home. Bunny collection display. If you love bunny decoration, make a small display. Place different bunny figures together on a tray. Add flowers and candles between them. Keep the colors gentle and light. This cute group brings Easter joy to any table. Coffee table Easter. Let's style the coffee table for Easter. Use a tray to hold candles and egg. Add a small plant for freshness. Stick a few books under the decoration. Simple layering make the table look beautiful. Bedroom Easter touch. Add small Easter touches to the bedroom. One vase of flowers on the side table is a pastel pillow. Change the mood. Keep everything soft and relaxing. This is an easy to way. Welcome spring. And there is fame. This farmhouse Easter style feel warm and cozy. Use wooden tray and basket. Add white flowers and green. Natural texture make the space feel clean. This look never go out of style. Viewers, wall house Easter tower. Let's take a final look around the house. Each room has small Easter details, soft colors, and natural items bring harmony. You don't need much to decoration beautifully. Viewers, and decorate this for Easter wall hanging, soft spring print, and bunny pictures. A small pot add texture and charm. Light color keep the space bright and clean. This wall now feels cheerful and fresh. Kitchen counter Easter decoration. Now let's add Easter style to the kitchen. Place a tray with eggs and flowers on the counter. A small bunny keep make it cute. Glass jar with candy springs. Colors simple touch can change the wall mood. Nature green Easter theme. This Easter look is inspired by nature. Use green plants and fresh branches. Add white flowers for softness. Wooden bowls hold paint eggs. This doll feel clean and refreshing. Easter garland display. Garland make Easter decoration extra special. Hang them over doors or windows. Use paper, egg, or fabric shapes. Soft ribbon and a gentle flow. This is an easy dye. Ideas for spring dining chair decoration. Let's decorate the dining chair for Easter. Tie ribbon on the back of each chair. Add small eggs, ornaments, or flowers. These tiny details make the table feel festive. Night theme, nighttime Easter glow. At night, soft lights make Easter decoration shine. Place candles and fairy lights around the room. Glass holder reflect glow. This warm look is perfect for cozy evening. Spring basket display basket are perfect for Easter decoration. Fill them with flowers, egg, and cream. Place them near doors or corners. They add a soft country feel to the mm, home. Easter bedroom touch. Yes, even the bedroom can have Easter. Sorry. Easter bathroom touches. Yes, even the bathroom can have Easter decoration. Change the hand towel to pastel colors. Add a small plants or bunny. Keep it neat and simple. Soft pink and white theme. This Easter theme use pink and white shades, flowers bring romance and light. Paint tags match the color story. Everything feels gentle and joyful. Quick Easter refresh ideas. Short on time. Try these quick Easter ideas. Add one flower vase. Place a bowl eggs. Change the Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Easter home decoration ideas I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. Balcony or window planter Easter look. Even small space can feel festive for Easter. Place flowers in pots and basket. Add paint egg between the plants. Soft ribbon give a gentle touch. This is a lovely way to enjoy spring outdoors.